YouTube, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. We are on day 6 of the bacterial bloom. And guess what? You got to go back to the beginning to see how bad this tank was. I'm drinking coffee, so I apologize. It's 6 in the morning. I'm trying to get going for work. I got to get out of here for my great co-worker, good friend. I know I got to get going. But anyway, 6 in the morning. I'm running out the door right after this. 6 in the morning. Check it out. We're on day 6 of the bacterial bloom. And I got to say, things are coming along nicely. Very nicely, very nicely. And look at the pleco coming in for his close-up. Get your close-up, buddy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, spoiler alert. Coming in for your close-up. Go ahead, get your close-up. You got it. You got it. Get your few minutes of fame. Ooh, 2 close-ups. We see y'all. We see you. We see you. All right. So, anyway, what's happening here? What is happening here? So what we have here is day 6 of the bacterial bloom. Shout out to PetSmart. Shout out to the help everybody's giving me. I want to say thank you to Temper, Rachel, Walter, and yeah, those people have been extremely helpful. Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. All right, so how do you get rid of your bacterial bloom? I guess that could be why you guys are here. The key thing is to wait. I'm going to say to wait. Wait. And go with this. Focus. Focus, man. Go with this. Ready, start. Ready, start. Nutrifying bacteria starter. So bacterial bloom happens when you have, how do you get rid of it? You have a new tank and you put water in your tank and you're trying to condition it and all those things and get things going. All of a sudden, your tank goes bloom, gets cloudy out of nowhere. That's the bacteria trying to set in the healthy bacteria so that your fish can live long, prosperous life and healthy life. So this journey started on Christmas Eve and super clear, but now then it went away the next day. Anyway, key to getting rid of the bacterial bloom is to wait, and wait. And the cloudiness will go away, because if you keep changing the water, your water's going to keep on bacteria blooming. All right, so you're probably wondering what's going on. That's it for the bacteria bloom. And those who've been watching the videos, you probably say, oh, I see a new fish in there. There is a new fish in there. And he doesn't have a name. So if you've been watching, name that guy or gal. He's pretty sweet. I like him. All right. Let's see. No, I can't do it. All right, anyway. So we waited it out. We got it. We're starting to bloom. We're starting to bloom. So there was a beta in here. I don't know if you guys seen that beta. He was in here. He was wilding. He was out of control. And I think he killed my 2 mollies. So you know what? After he killed my 2 mollies, it was the strangest thing. I think PetSmart was calling him. So I took him back to PetSmart. They were happy to have him, and they gave me my money back. Yeah, so he's gone. He didn't even get a chance to get named. We did not even have time to name him. Anyway, Bacterial Bloom update day number 6. Here we are. We're on day number 6. And yeah, I think things are going well. And that means with day number 6, I started this nutrifying. You're only supposed to do this for 5 days. You gonna focus? No. Your Ready Start Nutrifying Bacteria Starter. You are only supposed to use this for 5 days. According to your dosage, has a nice little cup where you can measure off your dosage. So you're supposed to do it for 5 days. I'm on day 5 of the Ready Start. On day 5 of the Ready Start, okay? And day 6 of the Bacterial Bloom. I gotta say, I think the Ready Start works. And I'm excited about it. So we got a few more different tank mates, and I'm gonna get out of here because I don't wanna make this video about the tank mates, but you've seen them. We'll do a separate video on that. Kept the plecos, and I added some more. Stick around, you wanna see those new fish that I have. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you're in the middle of the Bacterial Bloom, I just gotta say, wait, 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 wait. All right, y'all. Not gonna make it as long as the other videos. Get out there, live, love, and enjoy life before it's over. Because it will end one day. All right, y'all. See you in the next video with some super clear water. And then I will be introducing you to some new tank mates. I got a feeling I'm going to be getting a bigger tank. Peace. Look at them. Look, look, look. They found the food. Did they earn their close-up too? I think, nah. Subscribe. You can see them on the next video. Peace.